back to my channel. This video is going to be about what TikTok made me buy. The first thing that TikTok made me buy was candle. I love candles and I ran out of stock being at home and, you know, turning on the candles all day every day. So I did run out of the stock that I had. So I did find out that Target had a dupe for the Tom Ford, one of the Tom Ford candles. So the one that I got is the cashmere vanilla. The one that I got, I thought it was super cute. It comes with this cover. The next candle that I was in the hunt for, I went to Target, different Targets, different days. I didn't find it. It's out of stock and you couldn't order online either. So I did also see that Walmart carries a similar candle that is a dupe for the Anthropology Blue Volcano, I think it's called. It smells so good, you guys. It's very, very fruity. This one's called the Red Lava Citrus. Never tried this brand of candle from Walmart, so I'll definitely let you guys know if I like it. They also had another glass container with a wood cover. That's not really my style. It was really pretty, and because it was a little bit bigger, and this one was $6 and I think the other one was $8. I've never used this brand, so I decided to go with this one and burn it and see if I like the brand, and then I can repurchase another one. But this is the one that I picked up at Walmart. The next thing is a makeup item. I've been wanting to get this powder for a very long time, but every time I go to Target and Walmart, it's always out of stock. And it is the Airspun Loose Face Powder. This is what it looks like. I'm sure everybody's seen it and a lot of people have tried it. I've never tried it. On TikTok, it was on sale on Amazon for $3, so I hurried up and bought it, because sometimes when Amazon has items for sale, you have to buy it right away because they only have the sale for a couple of hours, so you need to really hop on it and buy it. It was $6.99 regular price, so for $3 I definitely hopped on it, added to cart, and I got it in 2 days. Tried it today on my face. If you're very picky with scents, this has a very strong fragrance, like old lady perfume. And because you're putting the powder in your face, it's very, very strong. It's not a faint scent. So if you do not like a lot of if you're really picky with fragrances, and this is definitely very, very strong in the scent. It's like an old lady perfume all up in your face, like hardcore. I don't really mind it. You guys know how I like it, but it is a loose powder and I like that it made my face look a little matte. The next thing that I bought was this brush that I've been wanting for a good minute. It is for your baby hairs that you want to comb out and stuff. Brush. It's supposed to be for hair dye, but I saw on TikTok that somebody used it with oil. I will be inserting videos that I saw if I do have them. If I did heart them and save them, I'll insert them so you guys know. If I can, I'll show you guys the video of the one that I saw that made me kind of buy the product.
You guys, I can't believe that I found this at the Dollar Tree. Like, this is so awesome. So this is a hair dye comb. So what it does is you add the hair dye, I guess, in here, and you comb it through your hair. But instead I added oil because I usually put hair oil in my scalp. It helps with hair growth. It helps condition my scalp. It also helps if you have dandruff. It helps exfoliate the dead skin cells, so it opens up your pores. And especially with a comb, this makes it so much easier to apply the oil and exfoliate at the same time. So I'm going to show you guys how I usually do it. So this little guy here, you're going to press that down and it'll squirt the oil in your hair. So I added the oil all into my hair, and now I'm just combing it through my scalp everywhere. I mean, it just makes it so much easier.
These other two items are very, very great. The first one, I use it. It's the Got To Be Ultra Glued. I use it for my baby hairs with that brush for my baby hairs. And then the next one I had to go pick up. It's by the same brand. It's the Glued Styling Spiking Glue, and it's water resistant. One, I saw that it was being used for the brows. If you guys like that laminating kind of look for your eyebrows, but you don't want to go and do it or get it professionally done, and the whole soap thing for me did not work because I have really thick eyebrow hair and they're heavy. So it just took too much time, too much effort, and I would have to really build the product, really keep brushing my eyebrows, and it just took too long. So with this one, oh my god, it saves you so much time. It's effortless, it's super quick, it dries quick, you don't have to take so much time with it, and I will be linking the video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. The next item I've been wanting for a very long time, so I finally decided to buy it because I said, oh my god, let me just do it. So it is this glamorous wash. The reason I didn't buy it is because it's very expensive. This product, you literally per load you do 2 or 3 tablespoons. That's all you need, and it smells like an amber scent perfume, like a musky kind of perfume for your sheets, for your towels. I don't use this for every load that I do because it is so expensive that I only use it for like towels, my bed sheets, or if I do I did wash my living room throws and my living room pillow covers. For clothes and everything else, I use regular detergent because this one is expensive, but I did enjoy it, and you could really smell the scent, like it lingers. I really enjoy it. It's definitely worth the money. Definitely, if you want to try it, just spend a little bit more and get the bigger one, because I think the smaller size is 20 bucks, and if you spend like $7 more, you get double the product. Because I was kind of like, oh, what if I don't like it, let me just get the smaller one. But you know, it's worth the money. Just try it. It's better off to spend $7 more to get double the product than to spend 20 bucks and get the smallest version of it. So definitely try this. You will not regret it. I love it, and I'm not going back. I'm gonna keep repurchasing it, but of course next time I think I'm gonna get the bigger one, so that way it's more bang for my buck. This one is the Quest protein shake, and it's the salted caramel. So I went to Target, and of course they didn't have the Premier caramel protein shake, and so I tried this Quest, and it's the salted caramel, and I really did enjoy it. For breakfast in the morning, now I have an iced coffee with this protein shake, and it's super yummy. So definitely give it a try. I really love it. But I do still want to use the Premier brand because that one is just caramel and this one's salted caramel. So I figured if I like this one, I'll like the other one as well. The next product is a candle lighter. This is what it looks like. It has a bottle opener, and then it has a light and your electric candle. This is what it looks like. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can hear it. This is so convenient. You don't have to buy lighters, you don't have to buy matches. You just charge this up, and it's been a lifesaver. I'm sure you've seen it. Definitely buy it. It's definitely worth it, and I use it for all of my candles, and I just love it. I'm never going back. The next product, if you guys can see. So I've been seeing a lot of air fryer recipes, and I was like, oh my god, I have so many appliances already. Like, what is the difference between this and everything else that I own? I just didn't know if it was worth it, if I'm gonna use it. It's the 5-quart, which is bigger. So I just, once I saw all the recipes, I was like, I need to buy this. You guys, if you guys like crunchy stuff and a lot of fried foods, definitely get this. You're not going to be using any oil on your food, and it cooks so fast. I used it for chicken because when I do chicken or fish, I always saute it in a fry pan, and it just makes a mess everywhere. The oil gets everywhere. I have to clean my stove. It's just a nightmare. Or when I make hamburger patties, also it just makes a mess everywhere. Even though I cover my pan, obviously you have to uncover it to flip the meat, and it would just make a mess every single time. So with this, oh my god, I put my chicken in there, my fish, and literally you just have to wash the basket, as opposed to making a mess with your stove, with the pans. And it's super quick. You're not using no oil, so I just love it. Basically anything, and it is just, oh my god, I've been loving it. I didn't think I was going to use it as much as I do, but now it's part of my staple. I use it almost every day, or if not every other day, so I love it. And the bigger it is, the better, because you can add more stuff. If you have a family, definitely invest in the bigger one, because if you do a 3-quart one, you kind of have to do batches, because obviously you don't want to fill up the basket full, because it's not gonna cook evenly. So you want to do like a thin layer per batch if you have a family. So for me, I was able to fit like I think 5 salmons in there, like 5 medium sized salmons in there. So if you have the smaller air fryer, you probably could only fit 3. So then I would have had to do 2 batches, which is fine, but because I'm cooking a lot, I invested in the bigger. The next product that I saw was this Kevin Aquan. This concealer is my favorite concealer. It's definitely super thick. You only need a little bit and it will last. This jar will last you literally all year or 2 years. Like, I'm not even kidding. Costco had it for $4.97. What? $4.97. This is $50 at Sephora. Like, I could not believe it. So couldn't find it, but my brother's friend, shout out to Anissa, she hooked your girl up and she got it for me. It was literally the last one, so I'm super grateful that she hooked me up, and now I have inventory because I was literally on my last, like, a little bit. I literally was on my last pot, and I was gonna finish it in sometime soon. So I definitely saw this and I had to pick it up, especially for $5. That is insane. You can't even find a decent concealer at Target or Walmart for $5. I had to get an Instant Pot. You guys, I have a crock pot, I have a rice cooker, and I was like, do I really need a pressure cooker? If you do not have a crock pot or a rice cooker, I would definitely suggest to invest in a pressure cooker because you can do all of those things with one appliance. And also, if you don't have the space, I have the space, so I was able to add to my collection and add a pressure cooker, even though I have a crock pot and a rice cooker. But the difference between the pressure cooker is if you wanted it to cook meat, like a brisket or any type of meat, with the crock pot, it's gonna take you 8 hours on low or 4 hours on high. With the pressure cooker, I cooked 2 decent sized pieces of brisket. On the pressure cooker, I was able to cook 2 decent sizes of brisket for an hour and a half. Like, that's just super fast. You can actually cook meat also if it's frozen. It just takes a little bit more time, but it's just super fast. For those days that you didn't meal prep and you're just like, I need to cook something fast, then this is when the pressure cooker comes in handy, as opposed to when you use a crock pot. You actually have to plan ahead of time because you would have to turn on your crock pot in the morning, leave it on cooking on low, so that way by the time you get home from work, dinner's ready. But with the pressure cooker, it's definitely faster. So I definitely love it. You can also make a lot of recipes in it, just like with the instant cooker, just like with the slow cooker. So if you don't have all the other appliances, I would definitely suggest in getting just the pressure cooker because you can do everything else with it. Rice, soups, meats, and it's just time saving, super fast. But I already had all the other appliances, and I've had them for a long time, so I did want to invest in the pressure cooker. The next product I also been wanting for a very long time, but I just didn't want to spend $300, $500, $600, and it's a robot vacuum. And I'm also a little bit picky, and I just didn't want a black one or a brown one. I definitely wanted to match my decor. This is the one that I got. It is gray and white. Top Sweep Pro, and it's the robotic vacuum cleaner. I enjoy it, so I don't have to sweep in the kitchen, nor do I have to vacuum in my living room. I let it do its thing, and it cleans while I'm cooking or while I'm chilling on the couch watching TV. And literally, I don't have to sweep, and you can have it running. You can have it running every day. You can put it on the schedule. I just turn it on when I'm home and I'm watching TV or cooking. I'm usually when I'm watching TV, so I don't have to worry about where it's at, but I definitely love it. It picks up all the dust, all the little crumbs, and I don't have to worry about sweeping or vacuuming downstairs. So I love it. And it bumps into things, and it'll rotate and go a different direction, so you don't have to worry about it. But I just love it, and it's in my color Fur Fresh. If you don't know what that is, I saw it and I immediately had to get it. I was looking for something for a very long time for my dogs. I have 2 Yorkies. My girl's a little bit heavier. She's 13 pounds and my boy is 10 pounds. So when I take them a shower, they're too big for the sink. Not too big, but you know what I mean. They're too big for the sink, so I take them a shower in the tub, and it was just wearing down on my knees and my back because, you know, I have to bend over and take them a shower. And I was just like, man, there has to be something better than this, because it is literally like I'm on my knees and then my back hurts. So I found this elevated tub and I was like, oh my god, I definitely need it. Like, once I saw it on TikTok, I was like, I need to invest in this. It is awesome. I love it. You literally can take your dogs a shower standing up. I thought I was gonna be able, it was tall enough where I can sit at the edge of the sink while I'm taking the shower. So I'm sitting down and I'm not putting a lot of stress on my back. But it is actually tall enough for me to take them a shower while I'm standing up. If it's too big for my tub, so I do have another bathroom that it fits perfectly, so I'm able to sit down or stand up. Definitely invested in it. It's not a cheap product, but also if you have kids or babies per se, you can actually take them a shower as well in there, but obviously put your baby in like its own little tub, or like you know, those little bassinets that you put in the tub when you take your baby a shower. You could put it on there so your baby's not just bare in that tub if that you don't feel comfortable with that. But I do clean the dog's tub, the elevated tub, after every use. But anyways, I don't have kids, but in the near future, if I do have a baby, I would be able to take my baby a shower there and stand up as well, so it'll save my back. It is easy, convenient. You can strap your dogs in there. It's safe, so if your dog tries to jump out, it's gonna be locked in. So, and it has two sides pockets if you want to put like shampoo or anything, and it is very light to carry, easy to fold, and the storage, you just literally fold it and put it away. Like, it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's just overall amazing. I love it. So definitely check it out if you guys, you know, have animals and have pets and you guys take them a shower in the tub. It'll definitely help you. You will not regret it. It is an investment, but in the long run, I don't know why I didn't pick this up sooner, why I didn't even know existed. So definitely love it. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be continuing to see TikToks. I'm obsessed because you learn a lot of new things. So who knows if there's gonna be another video of what TikTok made me buy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe on my TikTok. I'll link it down below. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.